This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Discoveries, their physical computing unit, and I'm on the accelerometer lesson. Jogger. This program should use the shake event, which is triggered when the board is shaken. Shocking. It should add a step to the jogger's total every time the user shakes the board. Do this. Change the event so it is triggered every time the board is shaken. So this is the event. They didn't even write it, but this is the event that's going to be triggered every time the board is shaken. Okay, so we need to ask about the accelerometer was a keyword. We've seen it here. Well, I thought maybe they got rid of it for now. Are they hiding it? Anyways, we've seen it used just like this before. Oh, nope, there's one. Accelerometer. So we're going to say, hey board, on the chance that we use accelerometer, we want to know, is it shaking? So if the accelerometer shakes, run this function. Okay, add the code inside the event so that the steps increase every time the board is shaken. Okay, so we have this steps variable, but we're not increasing it. To increase a variable, we just need to do every time it's shaken. So get property person. Okay, so just if it's shaken. So we can put this at the top of the event, because if it is shaken, what do we want to do? We want to take our variable steps, and we want it to equal steps. So what steps used to equal, and then plus 1. Because we're just adding 1 to steps each time it is shaken. And that should do it, I think. Let's give it a shot. Whoa! I'm running! running! Do I win? Oh, there's even a win sequence? We are champions. Awesome. Let's keep going.